Ghana ba kupe, adesimai Ghana ba kupe ye wobi wobe piana. Debio. Sikampu anu meya, adesimai Ghana ba kupe ye wobi wobe piana. Debio.
Climate change is here with us, and its impact is imminent. And food security is also one aspect of the sustainable development goals that needs to be achieved.
Climate change decision making is usually top down, and most of the times adaptation processes are limited within rural landscapes. We also believe that for most state and non-state actors, the integration of climate smart technologies into their plans are quite limited. So for this project, we aim to address some of these issues that are within Ghanaian landscapes, and specifically the Lake Bosumtwe area. Our project is titled Securing Climate Change Resilience and Mitigation by Building Smallholder Farmers Self-Reliance within the Lake Bosumtwe Landscape of Ghana. A Rocha Ghana is partnering with Crop Research Institute of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research to implement this project within the landscape. It is important to mention that 8 communities are involved in this project. We have about 80 smallholder farmers that are participating. We also have 20 trainer of trainers. The idea is that we want that beyond this project time frame of 20 months, recruited farmers within the landscape will continue to upscale the gains realized from the project intervention. And that is why we have specifically recruited 20 trainer of trainers who are being trained so as for them to continue to do training. And that is also the reason why we have demonstration sites where farmer school approach is being used for other actors that are within the landscape but do not directly involve themselves within the project, to also have the opportunity of learning from the farmer school fields that has been established within the project. We believe that the learning and gains that will be realized will be shared not only within Ghana but beyond, so that others will learn from some of the critical interventions that are being implemented within the landscape. I have to indicate that since the project started, we have introduced unique ecological climate change adaptation and mitigation technologies. I can make mention of the biochar production. I can make mention of the rapid micro-propagation of plantain. For us, it was so unique because plantain is one of the unique crops within the Lake Bosumtwe landscape. And I can mention that the Lake Bosumtwe plantain has a unique taste. And so, because most of the farmers also are into the production of plantain, we were so much happy when a scientist from Crop Research introduced the rapid macro-propagation. And the main idea is that with one sucker, once you create your chamber, with just one sucker, you can have multiplication of about 50 to 80 other suckers. And that is unique in its entirety.
The child said, "Yeah, Moruba, a home fast. You go to Yano, ya rubber home, me actually baby, and you and I wear and so, ya ball, and you saw the grass in the Morubano, as you see, until you say, ya home be, na dachi, and your boy bra. Na baby the area we na ye no emfa so wo so sen the no a e bedua no so benyini ntem amaye.
As part of the project's climate mitigation adaptation actions, we have also introduced the agroforestry system, where over 5,000 trees have been distributed across the various communities that we are engaging to actually plant them within their farms.
The indigenous tree species will enhance local biodiversity, and it will also mitigate climate. And then when we have the fruit tree species, it's another form of diversification wherein farmers will have other means of income through the sale of fruits from the farm.
One other important aspect to talk about is the participatory integrated climate services for agriculture, where A Rocha Ghana is working in collaboration with the Regional Meteorological Agency of Ghana, which is within the Ashanti region. And so the director or the directorate department engages farmers to really draw climate calendars or weather calendars within their planting season and even out of planting seasons.
Farmers are being taught how to produce biopesticides from neem tree, both the leaves, the twigs, and the seeds. Also Lantana camara, which is a common invasive plant species within the landscape, and Trifolia, which we call the beans. They are all plants that are available, and farmers are being taught how to use this to formulate biopesticides. We are happy to be working with the Crop Research Institute. We are happy to be working with the Community Resource Management Area of Lake Bosumtwe. We are happy to be working with the 2 district assemblies, and we are also happy that Global Climate Change Alliance and Expertise France and other allied partners are all supporting this worthy cause. We believe that the impact that this project will make will not only be here on the landscape of Lake Bosumtwe, but others will also learn. We are happy specifically for the farmers who are so collaborative, who are so participatory in related farm intervention actions. And we want to say a big thank you to our funders, our partners, and all collaborators on this project.